So here's the box that you get, that it comes in. And yep, it does need 2 people because it's well over 100 pounds to lift this. So you're going to need some help to put this together. Once you get the box open, you can see the partially disassembled grill. You need to put a few things on, but most of the body's together. And it's very clear here which box you're supposed to start with first. The Start Here box comes with the instructions, some parts, and this is cool, the tools you need to put it together. One really cute aspect of this, you'll notice that the inside of the box is decorated. That's because they've made it so that you can convert this box into a kid's playhouse. So a little extra benefit there for buying a Traeger grill. The legs are here in the cooking area. They said open up the top, take the legs out of it, any other hardware that's in there, tape the box back up, flip it over, open the bottom of the box, and then use the box to hold it in place while you install the legs. Flipping the box over worked really well. It made it really easy to attach the legs. So once you get the legs on, the rest of the assembly is very simple. The hopper storing the pellets is already attached. You just need to put the handle on. There's one on the front door, one on the side, and then you also need to get the little smokestack on it. So you do need to be able to plug this in. That does need power to run the controller. Here in the pellet bay, there is a auger that feeds the pellets into the firebox in the main unit. There's also a fan that's a blower that convects the heat inside and keeps the heating even. And plus, it's got the Wi-Fi enabling so that you can control it from your phone. All of that needs power. So the interface on this grill is pretty straightforward. The display is showing the temperature that it wants to heat up to right now. The knob lets you adjust that. You can change it in 5-degree increments. You can dial it up to whatever you want. It even goes up to very high temperatures, but let's say you wanted to cook at low temperature like 225. You select it there. To select it, just push the knob in once. It's now ready to start up. You just push the ignite button. It will start the heat. It'll start lighting the fire and heating the unit up. There's also a menu button here that gets you into some of the other features like the timer, the heat probe that you can plug into the food, some information here on the auger and other functions, all stuff that's covered in the manual. This model is equipped with Wi-Fi. You can connect it to your home Wi-Fi network, then use your smartphone or tablet to control it, start, stop it, set temperatures, monitor the meat temperature, everything through the Traeger app. It's extremely simple to set up. You just need to download the app, and then there's a QR code here that identifies it. The app looks at it, gets all the information it needs on your grill. Your phone is already connected to the network, so it does everything to set it up, so everything is interconnected. They did a good job with setting all that up for you. These are the pellets that it uses. You just fill up this hopper. You fill it up more than it is. It's run down from me cooking yesterday. But it will automatically feed pellets in as it needs to keep the grill at whatever temperature you set it to. And this is what it sounds like when it's running. It's running at a low temperature. We're smoking a pork shoulder here. The noise you hear is the fan for the convection going along. It's cooking along. It shows you the temperature that it's controlling to. It's holding it right there. And if you come up, you got a little bit of smoke coming from the stack. This grill works with indirect heat, so that food you're cooking is never exposed directly to the fire, and because of the little fan running in it, it's really more like a convection oven. The fan keeps the temperature inside the cooking area here consistent to whatever you're controlling to. It will run up to 450 degrees, so you can use this like you would a convection oven inside your home to bake just about anything you'd like. Our family has been thrilled with this grill, with the ability to smoke foods and its other cooking, just normal grilling methods. I highly recommend this.